What if you could buy an SUV that was so reliable it was practically bulletproof? A vehicle that would save you thousands on repairs and give you total peace of mind? Using data from reliable sources like Consumer Reports and real-world owner reviews to find the 10 most reliable SUVs on the market today. Briefly explain your methodology. Acknowledge that while no car is perfect, certain brands and models have a proven track record. Mention key factors you'll be evaluating, such as long-term durability, low maintenance costs, and high mileage potential. This establishes credibility and sets the stage for the list. Model name and image. Show a high-quality B-roll shot of the SUV. Reliability score. Provide its rating from sources like Consumer Reports or J.D. Power. Key reasons for reliability. Explain why it's so reliable. This could be due to a proven engine design, a lack of complex technology, or a solid track record over many model years. Owner testimonials, stories. Integrate short anecdotal examples of owners who have achieved high mileage or had minimal issues. Pros and cons. A quick balanced look at the vehicle's other strengths and weaknesses. For example, great reliability, but the infotainment is a bit outdated. Build suspense as you approach the top 3. For the top 3 vehicles, provide a more detailed breakdown. For the number 1 spot, create a grand reveal with on-screen graphics, highlighting its bulletproof status and why it's a top choice for anyone who values reliability above all else. Investing in a reliable SUV isn't just about saving on repairs, it's about confidence and stress-free ownership. End with a strong call to action asking viewers to subscribe, like the video, and comment on which SUV they think is the most reliable.